When Quadco was incorporated in 1989, the company embarked on a mission that it still proudly pursues today: to design quality attachments and cutting tools that help loggers across the world maximize their uptime. Founded over 30 years ago by Chuck McLennan as a manufacturer of saw teeth and discs, the company quickly expanded, releasing its first high-speed saws in 1990. Today, loggers in North America, Europe, and Oceania are cutting, stacking, and processing with Quadco, Southstar, and LogMax heads. And the Quadco Group is proud to provide unparalleled service and support for every head sold. With field service technicians and sales representatives all over the world, our team is made up of people who provide you with the parts, service, and repairs you need for your operation to thrive. With 6 locations around the world and 180 team members, 3 established brands come together under one umbrella to form the Quadco Group. Representing proven quality, reliability, and performance. A model for every application, Quadco manufactures processing, intermittent, and felling heads, drum mowers, and bar saws, each designed with unique forestry applications in mind. Backed by years of industry expertise, Quadco heads are engineered to be the logging industry's all-inclusive solutions to common problems in forestry. Now, those designs have been produced, patented, and put to use worldwide with over 3,000 attachments sold. While Quadco's patented arms-down design defines the B model range, C model high-speed saws handle and accumulate tall timber with ease. Multifunctional bar saws fell and grapple with precision, and Quadco drum mowers mulch and clear with powerful Quadco teeth. No matter your application, we set the standard for tough, quality attachments and tools. Innovation and cutting-edge design are the rules of the game at Quadco's Cutting Tools division, where Quadco consistently lives up to its reputation as a leader in the industry. With input from loggers all over the world, the Cutting Tools team works hard to develop wood-engaging products that last longer, show less wear, and save you money while delivering power and precision to every attachment. The newest line of quality performance teeth, made to attach to Quadco's world-class saw discs, are a testament to that mission. Southstar heads are rugged and built to last, with an innovative team committed to delivering the highest quality in forestry attachments. Southstar's harvesting, felling, and grapple processing heads are built for tough environments and large stems. Founded in 2011 on the premise of bringing novel ideas to forestry mechanization, Southstar products are carefully crafted and manufactured with years of research, rigorous testing, and plenty of valuable input from loggers. With more than 900 attachments sold, Southstar is bringing revolutionary design to job sites all over the world. Designed in Sweden and extensively factory tested, LogMax has a worldwide commitment to efficiency and durability in over 30 countries around the world. Since its beginnings in 1980, LogMax has sold nearly 8,000 attachments, keeping loggers all over the world cutting and stacking with the high-powered durability of LogMax's designs. LogMax harvesting heads handle delimbing, felling, and processing with a kind of power and precision that only comes from years of research and development.
I'm Thomas Ireland with Cascade West, second generation logger. We have the QS 635 Southstar head, processing head. I like this head. It has a lot of tilt power, so when you come up to a big log deck, when you're reaching over here and you're trying to process it over here, you have lots of tilt power, so you can tilt it up and then rotation power and around and process it into a log deck. It takes a lot of power. Other heads have seemed to fail at that, where this one exceeds. It has auto saws, and the software incorporated in it is really really fast. It takes the strain off the operator, a lot of the thinking out of it, and automates it faster than the operator could think.
My name's Keith Morris. I work for John Greenup Enterprises, based out of Estacada, Oregon. We just purchased the 2900 intermittent saw. We're very happy with it. It's working very well for the job site here. And we like it really well because it'll cut a 29-inch tree right off. It'll handle the tree where the hot saws, you got to double cut them. This here works a lot better for us. Running this, they have made it to where you can be my age and get in one of these machines, work 10, 11 hours a day, and get out of it, get in your rig and go home and not be completely busted.
The reason that we choose Quadco, they work with their customers. I purpose-built the processor through Pape and Quadco. They just meet your needs. I mean, the weather changes, the head works good. The head we're using is a 10,000 log max. You know, here in North Idaho, the machines work. I mean, you could work from 100 degrees to minus 10 degrees, and the log max always works in hot or cold weather.
It gets through it really well. It can swerve around defect that's in the tree, and you can process it off and keep going. With the space on the 635, it has enough space to get through that defect, where the smaller heads would struggle. You might have to set the head down and cut the defect off and re-grab it, where this one, you just keep processing it.
Quadco Mike, he comes out and does all the presets on the machines when they bring up the new ones out. And I've got his cell phone number. If I have an issue, all I gotta do is call him, pick his brain, what's going on. And 95% of the time, he can walk me through it over the phone and get me back up and running.